10 Survival Gadgets at Another Level. 2025. Did you know that nearly 60% of people caught in unexpected survival situations say the difference between life and death was having the right tool at the right moment? Survival is no longer about just toughness. It's about being smart, prepared, and equipped with technology that works as hard as you do. In 2025, survival gadgets have evolved far beyond simple blades and fire starters. They are compact lifelines loaded with innovation, designed to keep you safe in the wildest conditions. Whether you're an avid adventurer, a prepper, or simply someone who values readiness, these next-level gadgets will blow your mind and could very well save your life. Ready to explore tools that turn survival from a daunting challenge into a manageable mission? Let's get into the top 10 survival gadgets that raise the bar this year. Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife. Picture a survival knife so reliable that it's trusted by military operators and outdoor enthusiasts alike. A blade that refuses to fail when your life depends on it. The Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife combines a tough, full-tang stainless steel blade with a comfortable, textured handle designed for maximum grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. But knives like this aren't just about sharpness. They're about durability and versatility, capable of everything from preparing food to building shelter or even self-defense. While a fixed blade means it's less compact than folding knives, the trade-off is unmatched strength, and knowing you have a tool that won't snap under pressure is priceless. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Water is the ultimate survival necessity, yet finding clean drinking water in the wilderness can be a challenge that quickly turns dangerous. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter revolutionizes hydration by allowing you to drink directly from lakes, streams, and rivers while filtering out 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and parasites. This isn't some bulky contraption. It's lightweight, portable, and requires zero batteries or chemicals, making it perfect for long-term survival scenarios. However, remember that it filters biological contaminants but not chemicals or heavy metals, so stay aware of your water sources. BioLite Camp Stove 3. Imagine a camping stove that not only cooks your meals but also generates electricity from the fire to charge your devices. Sounds like sci-fi, right? The BioLite Camp Stove 3 does exactly that, turning biomass like twigs and pine cones into a clean, smokeless fire and simultaneously producing power via a built-in USB port. While using natural fuel can be unpredictable and dependent on environment, this stove's efficiency and eco-friendliness make it an absolute must-have for sustainable survival. Plus, you won't have to carry heavy fuel canisters, which can be a real pain on long treks. Think about cozying up to a fire that charges your phone and lights your tent, all while keeping dinner warm. Goal Zero Venture 75. Portable Power Bank. What if your survival kit included a power source so rugged and reliable that it could recharge your phone, GPS, and even medical devices multiple times over? The goal. Zero Venture 75 Portable Power Bank is built for exactly that kind of demand. This high-capacity, waterproof power bank features fast charging and solar compatibility, making sure your electronics stay alive even in the most remote environments. Of course, relying on electronics means you need to conserve power wisely. But with the Venture 75's durable design and multiple ports, you're covered for emergencies and extended trips alike. SOG Flash 2 Folding Knife. A survival knife that fits in your pocket yet packs a punch? The SOG Flash 2 Folding Knife is designed for fast deployment and everyday carry, making it a favorite among survivalists who want versatility without bulk. Featuring a razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant blade and an assisted opening mechanism, it's ready for immediate action, whether you're cutting rope, preparing food, or defending yourself. However, folding knives require regular maintenance to keep the locking mechanism reliable, so don't forget routine checks. MSR Guardian Purifier Pump. When water quality is uncertain and you need a filtration system you can trust, the MSR Guardian Purifier Pump stands out as a military-grade solution designed to remove viruses, bacteria, and particulates from nearly any water source. Unlike other filters, the Guardian's robust pump action and self-cleaning technology ensure long-lasting performance under the harshest conditions, which means less downtime worrying about clogged filters. But keep in mind, it is heavier and more expensive than simple straws or bottles, making it ideal for serious backcountry explorers rather than casual hikers. VSSL Flask Survival Kit. What if your survival kit could fit into something as compact and familiar as a metal flask? The VSSL Flask Survival Kit cleverly combines a rugged 750ml stainless steel container with a full survival kit inside, including first aid supplies, fire starters, fishing gear, and more. This gadget reimagines preparedness by making survival tools both portable and inconspicuous, perfect for urban survivalists or outdoor adventurers who want everything in one place. Imagine pulling out a stylish flask that quietly hides everything you need to get through a tough situation. Survival has never looked so sleek. Leatherman Wave Plus Multi-Tool. Survival situations demand adaptability, and the Leatherman Wave Plus Multi-Tool is like carrying an entire toolbox on your belt. From pliers and wire cutters to knives and screwdrivers, this gadget packs 18 tools into one compact, foldable design that's built for durability and versatility. But with so many tools comes the need for careful maintenance to avoid rust and wear, so regular cleaning is a must. Ever struggled with a small fix that would have been easy if you just had the right tool? The Wave Plus ends that frustration by putting everything in your hand, ready to tackle anything from repairing gear to building shelter. Thermacell Radius Mosquito Repeller. Imagine sitting around a campfire or hiking through the wilderness without the constant buzz and bite of mosquitoes ruining your experience. The Thermacell Radius Mosquito Repeller creates a mosquito-free zone without sprays, chemicals, or sticky traps, using heat-activated repellent mats that quietly protect you for hours. While no repellent is 100% foolproof in extreme conditions, this device dramatically reduces bites and the risk of mosquito-borne diseases, which can be critical in survival situations. And let's face it, nobody wants to scratch themselves silly while trying to focus on survival. Surefire G2 X Pro Tactical Flashlight. When the sun sets and darkness surrounds you, having a reliable source of light can mean the difference between danger and safety. The Surefire G2 X Pro Tactical Flashlight delivers powerful, focused illumination with a rugged, weather-resistant design built for extreme conditions. It features multiple brightness levels, and its battery efficiency ensures you won't be left in the dark when you need it most. While its compact size means it won't light up an entire forest, it's perfect for signaling, close-quarters navigation, and emergency use. Imagine holding a beam of light so bright it cuts through pitch black like a laser. Confidence in the dark is priceless when every shadow hides unknowns. If you found this deep dive into the highest-level survival gadgets useful and eye-opening, please make sure to like this video, subscribe for more cutting-edge gear insights, and share your survival essentials or questions in the comments below. Staying prepared means staying safe, and together we can elevate our survival game.